What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing right here is a channel that is going to make history as the first ever silver stacking podcast hosted by yours truly and investing with TJ. Also, John Optics as the graphic designer, the artist. This is going to be huge. When my motto is, I want to innovate the world of precious metals in a way we've never seen before, I meant that literally. There is no silver stacking podcast out there, and now there is. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and click all, because every week, every Friday, a new podcast will be aired, and throughout the week, we will be uploading segments of the podcast. Maybe there's a topic that you missed or you didn't get to watch the hour-plus long podcast, so we'll have those segments posted. So daily uploads. Every Friday, though, you're definitely going to want to grab some popcorn and tune in. It's going to be so fun. I really think this is going to be healthy and something that really could push the world of silver stacking to the next level. Right, I'm trying to up the ante, and I think this is going to be the most fun thing ever. Yes, I'm showing my face. Investing with TJ shows his face. This is a real podcast. I wanted to do this the right way. This has been cooking up, brainstorming for weeks now. We've been having Zoom meetings, constant Zoom meetings, constantly talking back and forth, all three of us, and we've even locked in some sponsorships. I mean, when I say that we're doing this big, I'm talking about astronomical. The way we already filmed an episode, the way that we're doing this is so brilliant. I mean, we really put some thought into this. Me and, investing with TJ and I are visionaries. We're always thinking ahead. We're always 2 steps ahead, and we have some of the coolest, most fun stuff planned. It's not just push record and start talking. No, we thought of different things to do throughout the podcast, and I really think that you're going to enjoy this. So make sure you subscribe. This is a project I'm very serious about, and honestly, one day I could see this becoming bigger than my main channel. I mean, obviously, I'm always going to be posting on Silver Slayer. That's me. That's who I am. But this podcast is also a very dear project, and I'm so excited. So like I said, make sure you click the bell so you will also get notified. I do want to do a giveaway. The first I'm going to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So the first 1,000 people that subscribe, one of you, or maybe 2 of you, or maybe even 3 of you, will win some silver. So make sure you go subscribe. It really shouldn't be about that, though. It really should be about just becoming a part of something that's new. I mean, this is literally history in the making. There is nothing like this out there. And from my perspective, if I was in your seat, this would be exciting to me, because it's exciting to me. TJ, and I chose this. I chose the 2 other people for this podcast very, very specifically and carefully and thought out. See, I'm more of the silver stacker, talking about stacking strategies, the silver shortage, right? Supply and demand, all that stuff. TJ, he's becoming a chartered financial analyst. He's a genius. He's the numbers guy. He's going to be the one breaking down the technical analysis, looking at all of that stuff. I can't offer that. I can't do that. And he doesn't really do what I do. So we're coming from both sides of the coin, right? I always talked about that. If you can intertwine what's happening with the charts and all that, and then also combine that with the economy, what's happening with supply and demand, you can get a very accurate idea. And that is exactly what we're doing. We're both bringing the two things that affect the price of silver into one podcast. And that is going to be, and has never been done before. Even in an interview, I interviewed him and he interviewed me on each other's channels. Go watch those interviews. You'll see why this podcast is going to be so great. And that's kind of where the idea sparked from, is because when that interview happened, it went so good and there was just so much rich content. I was like, we really need to take this thing to another level. And some of the stuff we have planned, oh my gosh, I am so excited. So every Friday, every single Friday, new podcast. Maybe we'll live stream some, we'll premiere some. It's just gonna be fun. We're gonna definitely make a lot of the community a part of this. So whether that is, and by the way, we are definitely going to have guests. We're gonna be bringing on people to interview. We already have a major bullion dealer. I'm talking about one of the big bullion dealers. We're gonna be interviewing them, which is probably going to be one of the craziest things that I've ever personally had a part of on my silver stacking journey, because we get to look at the insides. We have someone from the inside, a big bullion dealer, that's going to be sharing his experience, his thoughts on all the different questions that we're going to ask him. So, I mean, and honestly, um, I'm proud that this was all put together. I easily could have said one day, I want to start a podcast. That would be so cool. But you know what? It was 2022. I was like, you know what? I got to do something big. I'm always striving to make better content, and this channel just made sense right now. It really did. It all came together at the perfect time. I met TJ. We started recording stuff together. I realized that he is literally the missing puzzle piece. And then I got John Optics on board, which obviously, if you've ever seen any of my intros or the intros to my giveaways, that guy is beyond talented. Plus, he's also a silver stacker. So yeah, there you have it. This is something that I've been wanting to announce for so long, but I wanted to keep quiet until it was closer to the launch date, which is the video going up on Friday. So click subscribe, click the notification bell, and click all, or you won't get notified for every post. And do that with this channel as well. It's extremely important, or you'll miss a lot of content. So yeah, I hope you're as excited as I am. Welcome to the Silver Stacking Podcast. The link to the channel will be in the description. If you are one of the first 1,000 subscribers, you will be eligible to win some silver. So thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.